Lemon Eureka is a tree I could talk about all day. I absolutely love it. And in fact, on many occasions, I've been to the nursery in Valencia where we have these grown, and the quality, the size, and the whole look of the plants are absolutely out of this world. Now, this is something that I think brings your patio to life in a way that virtually no other plant can during the summer months, and this is a good example. So here we are, this particular video is being filmed in early June. We've already got the first flowers just beginning to form here, and they're lovely white star-shaped flowers with beautiful golden yellow stamen. But the fragrance just one single flower gives off is amazing. So in your patio area, this will create an intoxicating, heady fragrance that just fills the air. Not overpoweringly so, but just in a beautiful way. Now, the other thing that many people don't particularly realise about citrus is if you just take the odd leaf and you scrunch it up, the aroma is out of this world. It really, really is superb. I mean, it's just beautiful. So if you were, for example, just going to maybe steam some rice, if you get 2 or 3 leaves off your citrus plant, your lemon plant, just bruise them a little bit perhaps with the back of a knife or something, and then pop them in the steamer, it will infuse and put all of that lovely lemon fragrance and scent all over the rice. Absolutely delicious. Now, what are you going to do with these through the year? First of all, in the summer months, get these in a lovely pot, statement planter on your patio. They would be centre stage. They'll look incredible. The foliage obviously remains on these all through the whole of the year, and they will pretty much flower 12 months of the year on and off. And it's known as the 4 seasons lemon, Eureka is, because it has that constant interest of flowers and fruit. Now, early in the season, in the first half of the calendar year in the UK, the flowers will form. Once they're pollinated, they'll form small lemons initially, and then they'll grow and grow and grow. And over the course of the 6 months that follows up to Christmas time, you'll get these full-size lemons that form. And of course, you can just treat those as you would a normal lemon. So once they're around about the size of what you would regard as a normal lemon, carefully remove it from the plant, and then you can use it. You can use it in your gin and tonic. You can use it in any way you choose, basically, but you will have grown your own fresh, zesty, delicious lemons, full of vitamin C, full of flavour, full of fragrance, and easy to grow. The only thing I would do with my lemon tree over the winter months is to make sure you pop it inside. So if you've got a conservatory, if you've got a greenhouse, if you've got any protection at all, pop these in that sort of situation over the course of the winter months, particularly from, I'm going to say, November through to the end of March. They'll carry on flowering, and actually where you do get flowers, they will fill a room full of absolute beautiful fragrance as well. So in a conservatory, if these are in flower, friends would walk in and say, my goodness me, where is that amazing, delicious fragrance coming from? It would be your lemon Eureka. So it's a Mediterranean beauty. It's a fantastic statement plant for your summer garden, but it's a perennial. It's gonna overwinter indoors, but be with you many, many years. So get one now, add it to your plant collection, and really do make your plant displays stand out from the crowd.